Good morning. Good morning. Tom, how's it going? The Swag Cat, good morning. Afternoon. Predator, how's it going? The free accounts issuing for the beta testing for wealth charts aren't really free. They're only the first month. Oh, yeah. I guess that's kind of typical there. What's going on with my stream? It's not popping up here. Okay, there we go. Looks like it is up now. There we go. So we'll take a look in a minute at the news and stuff like that. See what Mancini has to say for today. Good morning, Donovan. Good morning. What up, Trev? Big move overnight, so not quite sure what to expect today. I mean, where did we? Let me go over here and see. 7 o'clock. Yeah, I mean, there's the Asia high all the way up there at 21,037. Any gap at the open? I mean, not really. So yeah, pretty big move overnight here. I mean, just kind of insanity all the way down to the 20,694. So yeah, 300 points. I don't know. The only thing, I mean, we got a couple different levels here. On the hourly, we got the 640 level sitting down there. I mean, if we're looking at this range here, maybe we push up into this area, 850s, and then look for a sell there. But I don't really know what to expect here. We'll see. So we'll see kind of what happens there. Morning, John. There's not really any news today. There's one star at 10, 10 o'clock. Excuse me. Probably two-star at 11. New York Fed 1 year consumer inflation expectations. Do have a bond auction at 11:30, but shouldn't do anything. Fed budget balance 2 o'clock. Really not much news to speak of. Trader Monk, how's it going? Mancini says on Friday at 10 a.m. I posted that if 5878 fails, it would be a long way down for ES. 5850, then 5830 targets. We got there tagging 30 last evening, undercutting, now back. Plan today 5850 up next. Must recover to see any upside today. 66 to 80 potentially on a push up. If 15 fails, we see 5798. Kind of pulled back, almost tested 15 right there. We'll see. Coveper, good morning. Pine Tree, what up? Go gamble. Yeah, try not to gamble today. Want to make some money. I want to make some money. Good morning, Clarity. Pushing up there, testing the 50 EMA 796 area. if you guys did not see, Take Profit Trader did away with the daily loss limit. So still 40% off. No activation fee with no daily loss limit now, which is nice. No daily loss limit. That was the one thing that tripped a lot of people up on Take Profit Trader was hitting the daily loss limit, blowing the account. I know it did me. So I bought 2 more 25Ks from Take Profit Trader. We're going to try to get those passed and see how we do on those. I think that the no daily loss limit puts the 25Ks in play here the way I like. So you can get the 25K for $75 all in, no activation fee. It's not bad. 3 minis, 1,500 target, 1,500 drawdown, same as always. So, Michael, yeah, the play calling in that Texas game, especially when he had first and goal from the 1, was questionable at best. So, oh, is it 50% clarity? I don't know. I can't get on the website. Is it 50% off? Or are you talking about the consistency? Yeah, I don't know how you don't QB sneak from the 1 there. I mean, that's definitely what I would have did. But hindsight's 2020, right? Oh, it's 50% off. Nice. Oh yeah, it is 50% off. Ha! I didn't even think about that this morning. Yeah, because when I bought the account, it was 150 and I paid 75. Let me update Streamlabs. Oh yeah, pretty good deal there. So if you guys haven't already, the coupon code is MM. Pick you up a couple accounts. Also, I did get codes with Fideas and Day Traders. If you're interested in those, the code's MM. I don't have it in the description yet, but it is what it is. Let's see. Take Private Trader. I don't know why I was doing it that way. There we go. Yeah, the drawdown's gone. The daily loss limit's gone. What up, Yoma? Bodybuilder. Yeah, I think it's a good deal now. 50% off and no daily loss limit. I mean, daily loss limit's what tripped up a lot of people. So, a lot of people. You're just joining us. I mean, I think that we're going to move lower here. But, you know, I would like something like that to occur first. It probably doesn't. We probably just more so do this. So, that I'll take a long if we sweep this level. I'm going to probably be waiting today on the Fundits to sweep one of these. To either sweep that one or sweep this one. That's probably going to be the play today, unless something's obvious and just screaming at me to take it. We'll see. So, that's a good deal. I picked up 225Ks. I got those loaded up right here. So if we see something that's eval worthy, we'll take those on the Take Profit Trader. $769 print. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of holding up there in that area. If ES loses the 15, then down we go for sure. And I mean, it's just a little bit low, but like if the ES did work below the 15 here and then maybe retested the 15, I mean, you might go look for something there, but it's kind of a scary trade because like it doesn't have to, really doesn't have to run that 640. We know how price is. You know, like a lot of times, you know, you kind of end up with that, getting you stopped out on those runs, but we'll see. Obviously, we're just looking for the 12.5 points. So that's what we're looking for. So we'll see kind of what happens. We'll see what happens at open. That's all we can really do. We got about 5 minutes here until open. Yeah, it's I mean, who knows what's going to happen here at open? I guess we'll see. There's the movement, little movement there. Yeah, it's not really moving. Oh, is that the 925? Yeah, it is. The 925 candle. And again, you kind of, I mean, you're kind of going to want this thing to kind of push up, but we'll see. If we don't find a clean inversion, we might just take a, might take an EMA play or something on our fundeds. I don't normally do that, but we'll see. So let's kind of see what happens here at open. Try to be patient. Let's just let it kind of come to us. Let's see what happens there. I'm hungry this morning, guys. Hungry. Without the take profit is the best for sure. Now, I think so too. I mean, it's really hard to argue, right? Really hard to argue. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, Tom, the link should only come through like every 12 minutes, I think. That's what I have it set up for, or something like that. We shall see, Mark. We shall see. Find some spots to... I mean, the main problem is like knowing how big the volatility is on the 1 minute candles, because the 10-point stop, I mean, it makes you have to be kind of a little bit of a sniper, right? But we'll see what happens there. Sausage pepper omelet with pepper hot sauce. Oh, let's go. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I mean, you know, some breakfast would be good, but we're gonna hold off for now. I mean, my lean, I prefer us to push through the 850s at open, but my lean is just a dump. It probably just dumps. You know, if we pushed up into this area and kind of rejected, then maybe you could take something from there, but my lean is we probably just go down. What's that, Max? Max said, woof, if you didn't hear him. Translation? I don't know. I have no idea. Morning, DA. How you doing? Trading from the phone. Woo! SMT above us. Nice job, Benny. Michael. All right, here we go. About a minute. Probably just going to get the dump. Yeah, we'll see, Trev. I think that's probably fair, right? 500s, maybe. All right, let's see what happens here. I think we at least push up, sweep the 800 at least. I'd like to see a push in the 850s. But obviously there is a chance we just dumpage right at open. Or we just chop back and forth, barcode, you know, the usual. No News Monday stuff. Good morning, Jan. All right, here we are. There we are, opening up a little chop chop. Only goes up. Hurry, get long. Long, I'm long now. Just kidding. I mean, I would like it to go up. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Little push up there, 782s. ES hit the pivot. Coming down to test the 15s. I'm going to stab long here a little bit, looking for the push back into the 800 on an eval only. Risking 10 points. Yes, tap that key level there at the 15, so I'm thinking that we get a quick push into the 800s here. There we go. Stop at 772 now. All right, stopped out there. 7 or 8 points. Quick eval trade there. ES just was at a key level. How's it going, Rob? Can't place. It's showing trade is temporarily halted. Mansour, if it's on if it's on trade of 8, Apex trade of 8 is halted right now. They're having some issues. They're having some issues there. So it's only Apex trade of 8 that's down currently, as far as I know. As soon as I see something saying otherwise, I'll let you know. But right now it's down. Yeah, still hanging out above 815 right now. Mansour, I mean, Take Profit Trader is really good right now, 50% off. And they did away with their daily loss limit, so that's nice. I do feel like we're about to rip up here. Bulenox is cheap up front cost, rhythmic only. Well, they do have X as well. Morning, Andy. Kind of got a little 1 minute trend line going on here too. Maybe a push back up into the 780s be a good short spot. What up, Josh? Smash the like button. Heavy downtrend this month. Something major needs to happen. Probably, Rob. Seems that way, right? I mean, feels that way. To me, it's a little too scary to short down here. I would need a sweep of 854 for me to enter a short, I think, on my PAs, or even something up into here. 803s, maybe a VWAP touch. But I might take a short on my evaluation account. We'll see. So, nothing wrong with that, Michael. I think that's fine. Uh-oh, Jan, traveling in Germany? Let's go. Still halted. Yeah, Trade of 8's not working. Yeah. A nap's not a bad idea. So you're about to have a pretty big SMT here as well. Man. ES is kind of hanging out at this high. This high. Yeah, Tech T, pretty big move there in the pre-market overnight. So, I'm on an eval here. I'm gonna look for a spot to short. Might just take it now. Eval only. Just kind of look for a spot here. I'm going to jump on in here, and I'm going to go stop to break even at this 725. There we go. Stop to break even. And I'll take profit down here. How much was that? $800? I don't think I can make 800, so. Back below this low, I'm going to go ahead and lock in some profits. Something like that. Locking in 20 points here. $400 on this 25K. Ah, stop me out. That's all right. We'll take it. $400 on that 25K is a good first trade. Good morning, Alcy Faye. ES bouncing off the 15 there. I should have probably just left it at break even. We got another push back up. I might jump back in on this other eval here. Retest the 25 area. Something like that. There we go. So back below this low, I'll go break even. This is an eval, so I mean, ES holding the 15 strong there. Gets back below that 15, we dump pretty quickly here. Come on, push this thing lower. ES testing the 15 there strong. Oh, goodness. Well, my stop's not moving. All right, I'm just going to go break even here. I should really wait for it to get below these. I don't love my entry, though. Should dump below those lows. Let's see if it can go. ES through the 15 here coming. Push into the 95s here potentially. Of course, it won't let me move the stop. I'm just going to take it off there. I don't know what's going on there. It's not like I'm getting some... Anybody else getting some laggage? So at 395 on that one, and then 325 on that one. That's a good first day on those accounts. So no need to try to like push the envelope on those. I think 94 hits here, but we'll see kind of what happens. Again, those were just evals, but let's take a little trade there that I know I may have to take some heat on. Can't exactly do that in the fundeds, but back up to the 21 there. It's actually the first test, usually a pretty good spot. It is a long trigger there. Man, that's a tough spot for a long. I mean, clearly it's working, but yes, at the VWAP there. Look at that 1 minute. Just ripping. I mean, yes, pushing up towards the VWAP there. Does price push through the 780s here? I don't know. Probably. To the moon! Gap fill, yeah, I don't know. Where's the gap at? Are you just talking about the overnight gap? Yeah, back above kind of like 787 here. We could test the 800s. Yes, back to the VWAP there. Holding up there at the 50 EMA. Here's the deal. I mean, this is such a huge candle. I mean, that's 44 points. I can't take a short off that. I mean, I could, but man, that stop is so big. Could just get killed. 788 gap fill. It pretty much pushed up to that area. So low in the leg here. You got like a 50-point stop on that short there. Yeah, Trev, I mean, it probably goes back up here for a... I mean, I think a sweep of the 785s at least makes sense, but we'll see. Yeah, Jan, for sure. Tough to do anything there. And then even this short, it's like... if it triggers, like... so low in the leg. It's got basically a 40-point gap. 44-point gap. You'd almost be better coming out shorting like right now. Yes, pushing below the VWAP. Nasdaq never made it back to the VWAP there. I mean, a 65 rejection here kind of makes a lot of sense. Push back up, retest 65, then push down. But it's also a little scary. So there's 65. Let's see. 2 points of drawdown so far. Would have needed 52.50 for the take profit. Let's see. No, would have got ripped. 5 points of drawdown. And there's the take profit. Boom. So it would have worked. 65 rejection kind of made sense. What up, Yoma? Opening range strategy. It's okay. I mean, it's gonna. You have to take it every day to make it make sense and make it mechanical. In my opinion. Take it every day, make it make sense. So he is holding up there at the VWAP. The hunger is real today, guys. The hunger is real. I mean, if we lose the 45 here, you're going to see you should see a little elevator here right back through the 20s. But it's got to kind of lose that area. 15-minute opening range. What time is it? Yeah, I guess it is. I don't use it, Yoma. Not really. I mean, the 15-minute opening range is just the high and the low that's set here. Yeah, I used to use it mechanically, but I stopped using it. I think I was using it with a mini. It was not, because it was like very low win rate with even a 1-to-1 lower win rate. It's like around a 50. This is your chat's asking you. Yeah, I don't know. The win rate on it wasn't good enough, but for me. It's just in the situation a lot of setup for about the situation. Yeah, exactly. It's hard for it to be mechanical. It's like, oh, it broke through, I'm long, you know. Pushing through the 70s here. It looks like it might want to touch the VWAP here. ES is pushing up as well. You're not hungry anymore. They showed me the vegan option just now here in the train. Fake meat hamburger. Oh. Here we go. All right, well, we're just waiting here, guys. Nothing going on right now. I mean, very, very kind of choppy. Creating an idiot box already. Waiting for something to happen. Oh, here we know. Know or go. I mean, I do think maybe a test of the 90 here and then can pull back. Test of the 90. We test the VWAP here. ES approaching the 32. All right, there's the VWAP pushing above it. 84-point range with 3 candles killing accounts. Yeah, for sure. There probably would have been a good 15-minute OR because it was so long for it. Yeah. The only thing I didn't like is you have a pivot just above it, and you also had the VWAP, so it's like you don't know if it's going to push right through there or not. So let's see if we want to sweep the 850s now. $20 not a huge spike. Yeah, 20 points still is good. I take 20. I take a 20-point scalper. I don't know, guys. This looks like it wants to go here, but ES already took out these highs. It already took out this high, too. It does not mean that it won't go higher. I did not wheel. I didn't sign up for it. Yeah, I didn't sign up for it. This thing is just ripping. Got to have some sort of a pullback. Again, my bias is still kind of bearish here. So I want to see it. I do want to see it sweep 850s. We said that before the market opened. You think it's going to 970? Oh, I don't know about that. I mean, it could. $970. It could. I just don't know if it had. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I was thinking we'd sweep 854, but still not a spot that I could take a trade on my fundeds, I don't think. Not like I could long here. See if we hold the VWAP here. If we death candle through the VWAP, that'll be interesting. I'm going to watch this to see how it reacts down to this area. You have a 832 buy, need to spike or you're out or you're toast. 832 buy, yeah. The problem here is like the stop is bigger than I like. I don't know that I can get much better than that, especially if we close below this with some momentum. We can look at it and see. So this might offer us an entry here. Let's see. We are in We have an SMT here. That's why I'm considering the short. I mean, ideally, I would like us to have swept the 850, but little VWAP retest there. Could be a good entry. Yeah, it's not great, Trev, to be honest, but I also don't like that on this pullback that ES is approaching the 32 level, which is kind of a support level there. We'll see. I almost rather take this off the 803 level. What up, Kev? Yeah, we'll see what happens. Holding up there. This is not the way you want this candle to close, because now you know this next candle's probably going to get deeper. And I don't know if I want to take that on the funded, knowing that the ES is still above the VWAP. I mean, an 803 short here. You got the VWAP, you got the pivot point there. You could just short an 803 retest. Honestly. There's not momentum through here really either. Yes, bouncing off the 32 level there. I mean, I don't know. The lack of momentum here is scary. The 803 retest right there would have been great. I kind of figured it would work, but man, it's just so hard to short right there. Hard on your PAs to do that. Very indecisive. So yeah, still holding the 32 there. Yeah, will. I mean, very well could. Very well could. Pushing back above the VWAP there. ES held the 32. This may give us a better opportunity. We'll see. I really want to see us sweep the 54. I mean, that's kind of ideal. You took off the 801 order? Yeah. You just don't know though, right? You don't know because look how price is doing. Probably should just be waiting, like I said, on the funded accounts. It should be waiting for the 54 to be swept or the 40s, 640s, one or the other. I mean, unless we just get a huge candle, but I don't know. We'll see. And kind of back above 820 here. It's looking like it's probably going to rip. Kind of get back above there, back above the 25s. We should get a little expansion, you'd think. You think we get a little expansion. All right, there we go. Pushing up here. 40s on deck. See if this thing can push into the 50. Sweep the 54s. All right, there we go. Sweeping the 54s. That's what we want to see. Now, well, didn't sweep it quite. What up, Greg? Yeah, you did mention that, Trev. You did mention that. Sorry to hear. Come on. The problem here is now you're going to be shorting into the freaking VWAP. Yoma made it, Greg. Yoma made the thumbnail. Oh, could be a 30-second short here. Oh, my goodness. What do we think? All right, I'm going to take the 30-second short. It did not trigger there. It was a bad close. What? I was going to say. Come on. Come on, get through there. Go. I did not notice that we left equal lows there on the 30-second. I did not notice that we tapped in on the 1 minute there. Stop to break even. All right, taking it off there. Not going to allow that thing to one tick me. All right. Damn it, still only got 8 points. Literally one ticked me there, guys. It went 12.25 and then came back. So All right, we took it. You hate trading. All right, we only got 8.5 points on that. I got to stop doing that, but that was a scary one, let's be honest. That was a scary one. I guess I should have just left it at break even there. It would have hit me, but it literally went one tick. It literally went one tick from my take profit. All right, so up 165. 165. I'm checking all the accounts just to kind of see if we got any weird slippage. They're all up 165, so. So 165 times 20. I mean, we'll take it. 160 on some. So back above the 26K mark. So we need, what, 3 more trades? 3 more trades to get to pay out. I don't know, man. That's one of those ones where it's one of those ones where I knew it was going to work, but so difficult to hold. All right. We can switch over to our Bulenox now. I have taken some trades on my Bulenox already. If you get a little pushback up, retest the 800s here, I will short on the Bulenox. We're up $300 on this account right now. I'd like for it to push back up right quick. Retest the 798, 799 area. ES bouncing off the VWAP there. I'm just going to jump in here. It doesn't look like it's going to give me the retest. Let's see if this thing can run down into the 50s. This is going to be an eval trade. And I'll add into it. I'll add into it if I'll add into it if we push back up. If we don't hit 774 at first. Probably Matty Matt. I think 640's in play. 690 at least. 640's probably. Problem here, even if this sweeps the low, I think I get stop break even. Even if it sweeps to 774. ES at the VWAP there, though. I don't really want to have more than a 20-point stop, though. And if it pushes through 74, we should get a little bit of a big candle. ES just holding up there at the VWAP. That's kind of what's holding us up here. If ES fights through the VWAP. See if the ES gets through the VWAP on this push. ES holding the VWAP there. See if it gets through there. There we go. Now let's see if it can go, or if the ES bounces back above the VWAP. I want to see some acceleration. I'm going to kind of move my stop down to 74 once we hit 62. Try to give as much room as I can here. I don't love my, again, I mean, it's going to stop me and then probably just go. I don't love the entry there, to be honest, but. Good morning, Rad Trader. How you doing? Now the ES loses the VWAP. And she goes. I might get back in on a push back up, retest there on the ES of the VWAP. So if the ES retests 828 here, I'll probably go ahead and jump back in. So right there, I'm going to get back in. We'll see what happens here. ES reclaiming the VWAP. I guess I should have waited for the retest at 32. Yeah, I mean, I did see that. So, Rad, I think you have until, I don't think there's a timeline. I mean, as long as you keep paying for the renewal, you'll be fine. I'm going to add one more in here. I'm just going to take the 12 points on it. And then we'll move stop to break even on the others if we can get it. Oh. ES is reclaiming the 32 here. Can't reclaim that 32. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Rad. I think that's fine. Holding up there at the 9 EMA, the 80s. ES pops above the 32 there. We're going to be in trouble on this trade. I may just kill it. If we pop, actually it doesn't matter. We'll just leave it there. 20 point stop, 22 points. Giving up most all my profits, plus some on this account. It's just choppy right now. Oh no. Gonna probably get stopped. I'm gonna move my stops up a little bit. If we get back above that 9, I'm just get out. You took the short on Apex. I didn't take the funded. I took my funded trade. Yeah. Oh, darn it. All right, I'm getting out of that. Yeah, I took the funded trade, Yoma. I took 160. I entered short. I don't even know where. I think I entered short off the 30-second chart. Yeah. At 824.75. So I entered short here. It came down one ticked me and then bounced. And so when it bounced back up to 8, I just took 8.5 points. It literally was 12.25 points and I was looking for 12.5. So, and then of course, the very next push down would have given me the full, if I would have taken, if I was looking for the 20 points. That next push down would have given me the full 20, but is what it is. Zabak, the death of Apex. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so, Zabak. But who knows? I'm not on the inside, so I don't know. I'm not one of those fancy people on the inside. You had to pay for the copy trader on Quant Tower to be able to be logged into both. Yeah, that's true. This thing's ripping. What's that, Max? What'd you say, bud? I don't really love this inverse here. Is this the push back up just to turn back down? I don't know. But did you take a winner there on your Apex accounts, though, Yoma? Is that what you're saying? Nice. Plus 200. Let's go. I liked it. I was just scared of the VWAP. I don't know. You know me. I was a chicken. I was a chicken there. Been a chicken for the last week and a half. Chicken for the last week and a half. Just chicken. Yeah, it's tough, Michael. I mean, I don't know where we go here. I mean, I still lean down, but we could make one more high. We could make one more high. We'll see. Rejection off the VWAP there. All right, I'm going to try this. Stop will go to break even right now. So we hit that swing low there. I'll consider to scale out a little bit, or maybe think about taking some profits at the 70s here. Oh, sorry, lock some in here. Let's just lock in 5. I don't even know what my entry is. Actually, you know what? Let's just go break even. Let's just go break even. I'll move it down to lock some more in once we get down below kind of like the 60, 61 area. We'll see kind of what happens here. All right, I'll lock in some here in a minute. Up $400 on this trade. I'm going to go to this candle here. Be kind of an aggressive trail here. Not really for any reason, to be honest, but just going to trail aggressive. I think a good draw on liquidity is down here at the 30s. I think we're headed for the 633. I got 640 marked out, Will, so we're in line there with you. Locking in 33 points here. Let's just go 30 points. teasing my stop. Come on, push lower. Push lower, push lower. Keep going. We don't need a retest yet. Let's sweep this low first. Let's sweep 36 first. I'm just going to put that there so I can see. So I got a better look at it here. All right, stopped me out. That's fine. 40 pointer. Let's go. We are up $1,263 on that 25K account. Now we need only $250 more to get past on that 25K. Take Profit Trader finally got rid of the daily hard breach. They did, Tech T. No daily loss limit anymore on Take Profit Trader. And it's 50% off. It's for everything, Rob, as far as I know. Good morning, John. How you doing? So let's see what happens here. Kind of holding up in this gap here. This big gap we were talking about earlier. Good morning, Francis. Live prop firm. How you doing? Look, there we go. ES holding up there at the pivot. This thing's going to test the lows. Initial balance set in 4 minutes. This trade was immediately in the money off the 30-second short. I mean, like, it's kind of annoying how this trade's so in the money so fast. You have several accounts less than 400 from payout with Apex, and I can't trade them. Friday night, I bought 4 new PAs and opened them up last night already with max drawdown. What happened, John? Is that because of the trade evade issue, John? I think they should fix that. We need $250 more to pass this. 240. So what is that? Yeah, that's basically this 50 ticks. You also lost 3 with incorrect drawdown. Submitted a ticket and still waiting. Hopefully they fix it for you. I mean, like, I don't understand why they wouldn't. I don't understand why they wouldn't. So a retest of like 55 would make a lot of sense. I don't know that we get it, though. Something like that. Or you could just take the retest of the 9. It is nice and fanned out. It hasn't had a retest yet. All right, let's try it. Yeah, Trade Evade's not working, American Solar. Hopefully they take care of you, though, for sure, John. I don't know why. I guess that's why they paused everybody, because of the issues. Now, if this puts in an order block here, I might. I mean, even though it's not really like one you want to see, but usually it will expand below that. Oh, didn't quite get it. Otherwise, we want to push back up. Yeah, something's going on with that, John. Hopefully they get that corrected today and they fix you up. What up, Trading Mints? How you doing? I don't think I'm going to get that entry. If we close here and push back up, let's get a little push back up here. I'm going to take it off the 723. Just... All right, I'm in. Let's see it run lower now. I said lower. Below the low, I'll move the stop into break even. Because this is technically a chase play. Yes, below a pivot here. This is definitely a chase play here, so. So back below the low, we're going to move the stop into break even. Yeah, unless we get stopped out. Woo, close. All right, stopped out. Now we need $450. Otherwise, you would have passed this eval. What? Oh, come on. You're so far green on Bulenox, green on Elite, red on Take Profit, flat on Fideas. I think I might take what I can. Nothing wrong with that. Is APEX the only firm that is Tradevate screwed? I guess, music, as far as I know. Yeah, they did trading mints. Oh, look at this thing go. Wow. Yeah, John, me too. I would go with Bulenox or Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Any of those are good. Tick Tick Trader's good. Tradeify. I mean, any of those are fine. I like Take Profit Trader a lot, especially now that they removed the daily loss limit, killing the account now that they don't have a daily loss limit. They require you to leave in a bigger buffer. Otherwise, a lot of the rules are the same. You can't copy across multiple props. That's the only other thing that Bulenox is kind of annoying about. But they do allow you to leave in a bigger buffer. You got to leave in. So to get a payout on the 25K, for example, you got to make it to 3,600 to take out 1,000. Whereas with Apex, you get to 1,600 to take out 500. No daily loss. So basically, Francis, before they had on the 50K, they had an $1,100 daily loss limit. And if you hit that $1,100 daily loss limit, it would blow the account. So they took that away. So now there's no daily loss limit. So I think so too, Al. I like it a lot. I'm up $300 on two 25Ks. I'm going to stab long here. Let's see if we can get it. Nope. All right. Well, we were close to passing. Now we're not. Now we need like a 800 more. Me too, Michael. Me too. I always blew up. So, which, you know, I'm not blaming them. It was the daily loss limit was my nemesis. I would mess around too much. Main views, yeah, that sucks. That sucks. But I did pick up two 25Ks. I also do think that that makes the 25Ks more attractive because now you only need $1,500 to pass, $1,500 in drawdown, and the daily loss limit no longer is $700 or whatever. I think it was $700. So you can, you know, I think it makes the 25Ks a little more attractive. $75 all in on the 25Ks. So, what's the deal with that account? The 25K rad, 1,500 drawdown, 1,500 take profit, no daily loss limit, $75 upfront cost, no activation fee. Pretty solid. So, yeah, it could be Tech T. I don't know. Try a different one. Trading Mints, you had a loss of negative 1050 on your take profit trader. The stop loss would kill my account. Yeah. This thing's just jumping around. Take profit trader, Lavi. Take profit trader, $75 all in for the 25K. I don't know what it is for the 50. Hey, if you already got 35 pointer under your belt, Trev, no need to do anything, right? No need to do anything. Udaman, Ivy, Udaman. Man, I kind of want to stab long here again. But to be honest, it's not the best of scenarios. Which prop firm is the most similar to Apex if I don't want to get used to trading different platforms? John, I would guess daytraders.com is literally a carbon copy of Apex. So I think coupon code MM, I don't know what the discount is right now, but you're at 52,300 on your email. Let's go. I think we're going to get a VWAP touch here. Oh, man. I don't know. It's one of those. That's just like. I'm going to put this stop at. All right. Up 886 now. But yeah, the daytraders.com, I got an account with them. I'm not trading it today because I didn't set up the login yet. I did pick up a couple of accounts with them, though. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Also got a code with Fideas if you guys are interested in it. All the codes are always the same. MM, you know. MM. Apex people are trying to rope Kellyanne into their lawsuit documents. Boy, they must really hate her. I don't know. How are they trying to rope? I mean, I don't know how that would work. Main views. I mean, all Kellyanne just reported what she received, right? As far as I know. As far as I know, Elite Trader Funding is 90% off of 20 accounts if you want to go to that route. I never had more than 5 in one prop. Nothing wrong with that, Michael. Yeah. You the man, John. Man, looks like we're going to rip right here. I mean, like, I just don't like longing into the VWAP. I know I just did that, but I took profit right before. I do think we run that wick up there at 814. Excuse me. Using a triangle? Yeah. Man, I do think we popped this wick, but could take it now, maybe. What time is it? 10:38. I'll break even now. All right, there we go. So back up 1132 now. So trying to get to the 1500s. So far, they are attaching her name to the proposed court documents cover page. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't see her video. My tilt would take the long from here. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't see her video from last night. I didn't know she made another one. I did not know. All right, we gotta do our vlog thing here. All right, we are green today. 160 on the funded accounts. Price action's been kind of slow, but not too bad. There you guys are. Yoma. I had Yoma on there. You guys couldn't see, but he's on there. He's on there. Yes, pushing higher here, approaching the 40, maybe well, I guess initial balance at 46, 846. Tough to long now. I think that even that VWAP long that I took was kind of risky. You could maybe long off that 8. Actually, you know what? Maybe we will. Why not? We're being aggressive, right? Of course, it would just bounce without coming back and tagging me in there. All right, we're in. Might just get slapped in the face. 820, we go to break even. Right there. Ah, stopped out. Good morning, Prakash. How do you think it goes? How's everybody else looking today? How's the P&Ls looking across the board, everybody? Are we green? Trade of Apex now working, is it? Did they post that on their Discord? I didn't see it. So, Trade of Apex not working. Practice says green trading, good trading Predator. Let's go. We keep inverting these fair value guys. Pivot at 800. Yeah. Your P&L's doing great. Let's go. I like to see it. Green to down. 3 props, red 1 prop. Nice. I'm going to look around and see how everybody else is doing. See how everybody else is doing here. Up 40 points on Topstep and up 75 sim because of freaking Apex. Yeah. Catfield, Toothless Wonder. Where is Nutty not streaming today? I don't see him. He must be on. Oh, there he is. Trading minutes, I don't mind a retest of maybe like the 29 for a continuation long, but we do have initial balance set, so I like a short here more than a long, to be honest. Let's see, though. What happened to his trade advice? Looks like he's down. Is that the 3-minute trade? We get back below 55, I'm going to short. So I need, what do I need? $370. Oh, stop me out. You're long? 53? Yeah, it could be. I normally would look for a long there, but when you wick above, I like to try the shorts. I was a little late to that. So we're encroaching on the zero mark. Maybe. I don't mind the long now. Let's see here. 2 break evens. One more time. Might have should have moved the stop to break even there. We'll see. Boom, boom, boom. Well, what are we doing here? Getting stopped again? This would be where I would look for a long now and a retest. Now that we closed above like that. So I'll probably try to get out here. Just going to take it off there. Pretty much like break even. That would be your 10 points if you took the retest. You know I normally would take the retest on a clean close like that, but we were in short. Boom, boom, boom. Well, ES is at a key level here. It is at 50. That's why I was like, well, maybe we don't. I don't think that. I don't know that ES makes it through there. That's the thing, Trev. That's what happens to me all the time. Look at there. There we go. So the initial balance retest, no drawdown, ripper. 20 points. Do I take a second retest? I mean, normally the first is the best. Seems bad to do it. Yeah, Trev. It's okay. I don't think I'm even going to get tagged in here. Am I? Kind of watching the ES here. ES recovered Friday's low. Well, I think above 50, the ES could just go. Mancini says 50 is the bull bear line, so if ES reclaims 50 here with some strength, then we continue to push up. If it does not, then we get the pushback down. So we'll see. All right, tagged in here. Want to get a quick reaction out of there off the 9. You're going to go break even once it hits the 5-pointer. 6 points. Okay, there's break even. See if we make the new high here. Obviously, the first test was the best test. There you go. Now probably would be the time to short, but I'm going to hold off and wait and see. Alrighty. There's the short. Ripping lower. It's kind of what I was looking for a minute ago. I knew the ES was at a key level. I guess it just needed to sweep it there. So there is the short. Here's for Bulenox eval. No. Eval, do whatever you want. So through the 20s, or the 21 EMA, I mean, maybe we'll look for something. I don't know. We'll see. We still fill this gap? Yeah. I mean, could look for a long out of this, but I don't. If we swept this. Yeah, Al, it's easy to call when you don't take it. Haha. When you don't take it, it's easy to call. It's easy to call. We're up 966. So we need another 500 bucks. Holding up here. Yeah, well, we'll try something right here. Try a little short here. See if we get it. Could maybe take this a little higher. I don't know, maybe a little bit too. I may not get filled there. I guess is what I'm trying to say. We'll see. Well, I tried. I tried. I thought I might be being a little too aggressive with that fill there. I really wanted my take profit to be at the 50 though. It missed me by what, like 2 ticks? 835, 25, yeah, 3 ticks. All right, well, there's the little bouncy. What are we doing? The run of that wick there. You could get a little. This actually wouldn't be a bad soup play here. Let's see. We might try it. I mean, you got a little. You got the 50. You got the VWAP. You know. You got an untested wick. Does it sell through there? I don't know. Let's go for like 250, 260, just a little bounce. Risk 10 points on it. You got the pivot point there. You got a few things. Yeah, nice, decent volatility, right? But doesn't necessarily mean it's good price action, but decent volatility. I mean, I really could target this wick up here at the 35s if we do get a bounce. All right, I'm in. And if it just deaths through here, then we're just wrong, right? Because everybody else is probably thinking the same thing, like, oh, a lot of support here, and then price just rips through there. So I was tempted to move the stop down a little bit, but retest the VWAP, I'll flip short. There we go. Stopped out. Womp, womp, womp. See if we push back up into the 808s, 807s. Hey, Crossfire Trading, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I'll put my stop up here. Oh, what is that? It's top of the hour. Top of the hour there. Don't love it. See if it holds that 9. I'd really like to hold below the VWAP there, but it looks like it just wants to rip. So we get down into the 80s here. Below 90, I'm going to move the stop in to break even. Below 90, we're going to move the stop in. That's not the reaction we wanted. But that's the reaction we got. Jeff, 5 minute. I don't use the 5 minute, but as far for entries and stuff, but I'm gonna add here, try to take a quick little $200 scalp. It'll be like $300, or we may blow the account. See if we can push down here. Doesn't look like it's wanting to push down here, huh? Gonna have to hold that 21. Are we in trouble? Come on, push through there. Come on, get through there. Now, I'm just getting out of this. Took a little winner out of it. Just get out of it unless it just gets through the 90 here. Gets to that whole number and goes. Sell sign has not been taken, but we are tapping a breaker block. Yeah, I think we continue lower too, but I have to find a spot to get in. I didn't love my entry there, but anyways, up $875 on this account. Kind of back and forth on it. We were within a couple of hundred of passing, and now we're, you know, back to 800. So let's wait and see what happens. I do think if this loses the 90 that we get a little, that we get a nice little elevator lower. Get through the 90, you should at least get down here to 75 pretty quickly. Kind of into this area. Let's see. I wanted to re-enter on that retest there, but did not. I think we go quickly to the 76 area. Quickly. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Didn't quite get there, but that's within a couple of points. Let's see here. Kind of watching ES pulling back into that 32 area. Could look for a little bounce here off of this 76. Just a small bounce. Wouldn't be bad. Maybe like 5-6 points. All right, I'm in. And I'm out. Just a teeny weeny bounce right there. Just looking for a little teeny bounce. Nothing crazy. Now you should get a nice little run down into the 50. I think 50 is next on deck. ES is kind of lagging a little bit behind right here. We'll see kind of what happens at this 50 area. Do we hold that 50 area? Do we continue to push lower? I mean, you might get this. Let's see. I think we touched 50 at least, though, on this push down. Don't see how we don't. Maybe take a little stab through there. A little stab into the 50. Could easily bounce here, though. But might do this. I may add if we push up into the 71. Something like that. This is chasing for sure, but all right, we're in. You're long on eval. No, looks good for you for now. ES did hold the VWAP there. I actually didn't even notice that we were at the VWAP on the ES. Pushed back above it. I don't love it. I do not love it. It's going to make it difficult to get through this area. I probably should wait for like what I was looking for, maybe like a sweep of this and then go from there. But at least get me out of one of these. Get me out break even, and I'll feel better about it. Just get out break even. Nothing lost, nothing gained. All right. Still up 977. I do think it's probably going down. Like I said, I think we sweep, you know, this area, but too low to be chasing it really. I know that. That's how it goes sometimes. You know it, you do it anyway. You guys ever experience that? Bum bum. Predator said, yes, he's in there. He's done it. I do it every day. I do anyway. Self-sabotage is rooted in trauma. Uh-oh. Let's hope not, Treff. There's the rip back up. Oh, that's the first test of the 9, though. That has not been playing today, though. The first test of the 9's not been playing. That's what Dr. Phil says. All right, I'm going to try it just for a little 5-6 pointer. I'm in too late. All right, it worked. Yeah, we're green, Wayne. How you doing? We're up 1,097 on this account, so we need 4 more winners. 4 more 22 ticks trades without taking a loser. You bought it Saturday, Vince? That's crazy. Something's up. I would message them. They have live chat. Jump in the live chat because I bought mine I bought 2 this morning and I had them within a minute. Within a couple of minutes. Winner, chicken dinner. Let's go. Green 477 up 165, 226, 231. Let's go. I don't know if we get new lows. We'll see. Yeah, I got the 25K, Vince. Oh. Yeah, let's see. 8:30 over here on the ES. All right, we'll see what happens here. Let's see if we get a little elevator down into the 750. Probably so. I don't know. We'll see, Trev. All right, here we go. 50's on deck. Doing good, y'all. Did you finish green? You're up 200, so I hope you didn't take any more trades. I'm green currently, still up 160, and then up 1,097 on an eval, 395 on another green eval, and 335 on another. Feels good, doesn't it, Yeoman, to take that nice green trade? I missed this. I'm going to take this. I don't know. I'm in late, but I still think we get a little push up here. Let's see. In late. In very late. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 5 points at a time. Let's go. Up 2,300 on eval, 1,700 on another. Let's go. Nice job. We're up 203, 26,203. We need 3 more 5-point trades to pass. Retest of the 9 there. I mean, there's really no obvious fair value gap to take a long off of. Like, you have one here, but man, this thing is not very obvious. You'd have to kind of squint to see it. Like, is that there? Is that gap there? Otherwise, I'd be looking for a long out of this. But oh man, I got a fingernail that's just all messed up. I am going to put my expenses up along with my payouts. Much like Nutty is doing, I kind of like that idea. That way you guys see the expenses with the payouts. Right now, we are we're only a few $100s into the year, so maybe like 3 or 4, but I don't know. 783 buy. I don't think it's a bad buy. I mean, I think this is an area where we could just go right back up. I mean, we literally called this out. We said a few minutes ago, we said, whoop, whoop, whoop. And we made the noises and everything were made when it was doing it. Let's see what happens. Just ate your eggs. Let's go, Pine Tree. I think that's what I'm going to have for lunch. I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do six eggs, probably. 6 times 7, whatever that is. And then 2 slices of cheese. You sure all of it happened, Trev? Yeah, it did. For sure. Oh. All right, guys, I don't normally do this, but you know what? I want my people to win money. So Tom is doing a giveaway right now, $50 in cash. Let's get over there to Tom's channel and enter the giveaway. Let's flood his channel and enter the giveaway, guys. He's only got 30 people in there right now. Hit the link. Let's enter the giveaway. Exclamation point cash. Someone from here, take it home. We don't want his people to win. We gotta. If I can't give you a giveaway, we'll enter Tom's giveaway. You know what I mean? We'll enter Tom's giveaway. Exclamation point cash. Take Tom's money. He is a Hungarian millionaire. If you didn't know. He's a Hungarian millionaire. 2 whole eggs, 1 cup of egg whites. Yeah, I should probably do that, Pine Tree. Woo, look at that. I you know, you could even, if you're a real savage, you just buy the egg whites and then and just go with the egg whites. You don't even go with the egg. Just hit the egg whites. A forint millionaire, that's right. A forint millionaire. We got to win that. We got to win Tom Sabo's giveaway. Let me get on my alt account and enter the giveaway too. I mean, while we're waiting on something to happen here, you know? While we're waiting for something to happen. Tom Sabo. Why is he making me watch an ad? What's wrong with him? I would never do such a thing. I would never make you guys watch an ad. Oh. Yes, just pin to the VWAP here. Pin to the VWAP. No premium? What's a premium? Yeah, no premium. I'm not charging. What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? Oh, YouTube Premium. No, I don't have it. I don't have it. I'm too cheap for it, Pine Tree. I'm too cheap. Man, I don't know. Long or short here? It's scary to short. How'd you do, Oracle? How'd you do today? $20K. Let's go. Nice. Nice job. One of those days. Nice day. Let's go. I'm in late. I'm in right into the 9. Oh, man. I don't love it. I'm in way too late. Maybe we add. I don't love it. T.O. is king. That's right. The GOAT. No. God dang it. We just gave back $200-300. We can't be doing that. What's wrong with us? Yeah, she's not holding up. I should have been in down here's the problem. Should have been in down here. He's the real BDH. I don't know. The futures of our futures trader place thingy, whoever's doing that, I don't know. It's somebody that's around. They said it was called Big D House. That's what they called it. They said that's what it meant. I don't know. Your Take Profit Trader account says active, but trading status says pending. Did you sign the forms, Vince? Is it your first Take Profit Trader account ever? ES is right back above the VWAP here. Longs. It's not your first. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, sometimes I have to message them to get my stuff to work. Vince, maybe what you have to do. Hulk, smash that like button. Let's go. 115 users, only 43 likes. Oh, come on, guys. We got to hit the like button. Come on, guys. We got to do it. Yeah, again, Take Profit Trader did do away with their end of day or their intraday or their daily loss limit. So, and they are 50% off. Let's go. All right, we're still sitting on. We need 6 more trades now. Me too, Andy. I always like it too. I just hit the like for myself. Just kidding. Kind of hitting this 1 minute. If we get back below the 9, I think I'll join short for a little continuation. Nah. Max is not barking. I don't know. What are you doing over there, Max? Sleeping. He's doing exactly what a Dotson does 20 hours a day, sleeping. It's got to go, or we're in trouble. It's got to go. It's got to go. It's going to push into the 790. No, that's not a push into the 790. Darn it. We might blow this account, guys. There's no activation fee, Vince. There is no activation fee. Yeah, we probably only have a few $100s in drawdown left on this account. Probably only have, because I mean, even though we're back to, almost back to green, or we're still in the green. What time is it? Oh, man. We might blow it. Let's go for 5 off the 9. Why not? We're going to blow it. There it is. We blew it. All because of Tom. So close to passing, and then we blew it. Trash. That's what happens every time I size up. I'm just terrible at it. No. I am waiting on, have they sent me, let me check Bulenox right quick. Let me see if they sent me my invoices yet. Did they send me my invoices for the ones we passed on Friday? I did submit them. Nope. No invoice. Matt, you can, but it blows the account, number one. So why would you want to? Number two, it's not really worth it. I mean, I think you can take out like, I don't even remember what the number is, but it's not really even worth it. So I think so because it's 50% off, Vince, instead of 40%. Now they don't refund you your cost up front on your first payout, but I mean, is that big a deal? I don't know. Probably not. So yeah, 50% off to me is a little better than 40% off. That's what I would do, Matt. There's no point in like, really doesn't make any sense to do it before then. ES chopping VWAP right here. Really just grinding the VWAP. Just not wanting to do anything else. Not wanting to leave the VWAP area. Creating a pretty big idiot box. There's 50, 48 tagged exact locking gains here, level to level. As usual, leave a runner. The market shows no mercy to those who are not locking in level to level in a disciplined, systematic manner. That's what Adam Mancini says. Level to level. So we're switching over to the Take Profit Trader eval. We are up 395 on this, so gonna have to find, it has to be something pretty clear for us to take it, really, to be honest. Probably just keep it at 25 ticks. You can, Alfred. 1 day to pass. Look right above my head, Alfred. It says Bulenox 90% off, 91% off. 1 day to pass. But yes, you can. And I want you to pass in 1 day, Alfred. Let's do it. Allowed myself to get chopped up there. It's not what you're supposed to do. But wait for something obvious. Oh. I mean, the longer the ES kind of holds this VWAP here, it kind of feels like we're going up. All right, here's the winner for Tom Sabo's giveaway, guys. The winner for Tom Sabo's giveaway. All right, let's see who wins. Hopefully it's one of my people that win. Oh, Tom's doing the musical countdown over here. A little doo 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 doo. I'm gonna wait. We'll see if we get an initial balance low or something. I'm gonna wait. Stop diddling in the middle. It's too late, Keeson. I had his chat. I had his YouTube channel up in the pinned comment for a minute. Let's see if we get above 66 here. Really should wait. We'll take a little stab here. Who? Mainly Trades. Let's go. Mainly Trades won. All right. Mainly Trades took it down. Let's go. Come on, rip it up there. Go. Go. Send me my half, Mainly Trades. Appreciate you. Just kidding. How does this not get up there? Come on, get up there. Get through there. Go, go, go. It's going to go. It's going to rocket ship. It just might go after it takes me out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Let's go. Ha, ha, ha. Who's giving you the 5-point winners like Methodical? Nobody. Up 515 on that account now. All right, guys and gals, the hunger is real over here. The consolidation is definitely horrible, Jake. It's tough to do anything here. Yes, you can find spots, but, you know, doesn't make too much sense. Until the ES kind of takes out one of those key levels, either retest the 15 and bounces, loses the 15, or kind of regains the 50. Really, you should just be waiting. Shouldn't be doing much. Tom Sabo guarantee down to 20,678. 20,678. Let's see here. This is the Tom Sabo guarantee. Guarantee. There's the Tom Sabo guarantee. Buy under 750, sell over. Yeah, could be. You can't do much anyway because I'm still waiting for Take Profit Trader to fix your account. Yeah. Did you get them on the chat, Vince? Usually pretty quick on the chat. We've got the Tom Sabo guarantee in play here. We'll see how it works. What? Really? That's strange. Seems like they would just fix it. Oh, it's a creation issue. As soon as we put in the Tom Sabo guarantee, it ran. Guys, let's not forget. Let's don't forget what Methodical said. It's always good to refer yourself in third person, you know? It's always remember what he said. He said we were going to tap into this gap. We're going to tap into that one up there, and then we're going to make new lows. That's what he said. I made that one the wrong color. I mean, I gave you the script of the market. I didn't tell you how or when. Can we get Tom Sabo neighbor's lawnmower giveaway? Yeah. The push mower. Perfect. Let's get the push mow. What up, Newts? If you go off ICT new videos, that consolidation is not a single 1 minute candle close below the upper quadrant of that first huge long fair value gap. True. True that. This is true. I don't really watch his new videos. I watched his 2022. I mean, like, model. It is nice to refresh sometimes, though, I guess. There is a 30-second short opportunity here, but to me, we didn't really sweep any liquidity, or at least not enough on that push up. I think, well, now, though, just return to the consolidation. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know if it gets through there or not. I mean, ES is testing the VWAP again right here, so it's kind of at the lower end of that consolidation. If it punches through, you're probably right. So Tom's stop is at 818, so it needs to go and sweep that first, right, before it can go lower. It has to sweep Tom Sabo's stop first. Sweep the Sabo stop, then go. So ES right there to the VWAP. We're just kind of waiting here. There's not much to do. Man. I kind of want to take a... Just kind of waiting here. I kind of wanted to take the short here, to be honest. And that's why. I'm going to take the short. I'm going to use a very tight stop here. I don't want to give too much back. Dirty girl. I got in too soon there. Does it have an activation fee, Vince? I didn't know that. I guess that's what I get for not reading their promo. I thought someone this morning told me it didn't. All right, Max is making some barking noises. All right, taking the long here. Look for a little VWAP touch. Boom. Easy peasy. So up $735 on this account now. That's about as much as I can make in one day on that. Can't pass in one day, so. Oh, I got you there, Vince. Appreciate that information then. I need to change that. I thought they still had no activation fee. Let's change that. Oh. There we go. Oh, yeah, for sure, Coach Fred. That's how it goes. You got some on that long? Let's go, music. That was kind of an easy read long. I mean, high or low there. ES lost. It swept. ES swept these lows. I thought that I wanted to take the short. I got in. I don't know. I did take it, but I got in late. Hesitated, and then it just ripped out of there. All right, I think I'm going to call it there, guys. There is a small chance I'll be back for the power hour. I don't really know. We'll see. Maybe. Small chance. But if you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, use my links and codes in the description of the video there. Again, 91% off Bulenox, 50% off Take Profit Trader. Look at her go. And then I did pick up codes for Fideas and day traders. The code is just MM. So Tick Trader, I think today's the last day for their direct funded sale, 30% off. Take Profit Trader or Tradeify as well, 30% off on them as well. So if you want to help support the channel, use the codes. We will be back live tomorrow at the very latest, 9:15 a.m. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you then.